A quiet patrol turned chaotic when a gray Nissan Xterra suddenly sped off. The unbuckled driver drove recklessly, making it difficult for police to intercept him. A perfect Piat maneuver flipped the car into a utility pole, ejecting the driver with severe injuries. Would things have ended better if he had chosen to stop from the start?
Is he eastbound?
The police spotted a BMW driving over 120 miles per hour, well above the 55 miles per hour speed limit. Initially, the car slowed down and stopped, but then it suddenly sped up, attempting to flee.
Left, I'm saying left. Yep. Yeah, it's up.
Behind me, behind me, behind me.
I'm trying. Steam it. Keep going. Keep going. Go.
The police performed a pit maneuver, forcing the driver to stop and be arrested. The driver, who had a previous conviction for driving with a suspended license, faces charges of fleeing, driving with a revoked license, third offense, and assaulting law enforcement officers.
Get off. I'm primary. Clearly,
take your right on 17th Street, still wearing the military, one by list.
17th Street, military northbound.
Right now, Rattle Spring to Rattle Spring.
Clear left, clear right.
Back door one having that hurry speed.
Somebody get south of us. We're coming back up towards the spring, towards the 10th. Clear, clear, clear. Clear, clear, clear.
Just seconds after the precision pit maneuver, the car lost control and crashed into a parked vehicle on the side of the road. With no options left, the driver was forced to surrender and was arrested on the spot.
Rattle Spring to the north.
I can see clear left. I can see clear right.
North southbound Spring coming in.
There's southbound on spring.
Alright, it slows down in the intersection. Stand by. Pit, into the car, stand by.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Drag his ass back! Hey! Hey, check on the engine! Check on the engine!
I'm at the TBI right here, Tanner.
I'm on you.
Hey, brake check me. We're going northbound Commerce. I'm coming to Wells. I don't know.
We're in the Ashley parking lot. That's the portal. Where's it going?
Trey, call this area. I'm not familiar with it.
Northbound Marketplace, Highway 5, Street 75.
East on Highway 5.
East on Highway.
Trey, go ahead and pass me if you can.
Get that 28.
Speed's about 100. He's traveling in the wrong lane, no traffic. He's going to have substantial front end damage. He took far away to get this 28.
I think it was Adam, Georgia Union was the first three. We're coming up on Woody Drive. TV on, Highway 5 and Woody.
Get out! Show me your fucking hands right now! Get out of the goddamn car! It's clear!
Alright.
A stolen car sped down the road, swerving and running red lights. The driver maneuvered dangerously, suddenly veering into the left lane, making the situation tense and hard to control.
All right, going around him, going around him. On it. Staying on him, staying on him, staying on him. Clear. Clear. He just ran another red light. We're coming up on Wildcat Lake Drive.
He is 1080, 1080.
10-4, you 15-10-30, 4-10-10-80, I will put that video in that vehicle.
Come on, Nate, you got this?
Alright, when you did advise to the alarm, so heading toward alarm, so he's been 1080 for about a minute and a half.
10-4 clear.
Going through the red light at Russell Road.
Wait, look, I'm coming on 20.
There you go, Nate. Come on, stick with it. There you go. We're driving in the center lane, still on Collins Hill, coming up on Crystal River Drive.
Alright, any units that stop that, he's going to be coming down to 316. Southbound 46, I'm taking 316. 7690 headed to Duluth Highway.
Home.
Airlines Washington will be with you shortly. Airline, are you on GSP channel? Good night. I just want to confirm you're on GSP. You're in District 5, but I'll go back to our channel. I'm coming to call until almost 316. You on GSP channel right now?
Come on, baby, let's get him.
Alright, 477, where are you?
We're going over 316, still on Collins Hill.
Alright, I got you. Go ahead, advise City Larsville, they're in City Larsville now. You need to advise, I'm with you. I'm on the call. Alright, when they come into Hurricane Shoals.
Green light, clear, clear.
477, slow down, there's a roundabout up there.
10-4, we both slow down.
Alright, we're Northdale Road, about Varsho, we're coming into the square. 10-4. 7690 still on the Duluth Highway. I'm coming to y'all.
We're going through the second roundabout. We're staying straight on the roundabout.
Alright, 407, just drive. Let me call it. If you get a chance to hit him, put him out. We gotta stop this. They're coming into a lot of traffic.
10-4, I'm coming up on him. I'm about to. No, never mind. Alright, now I'm coming up on him. About to pit. Come on, baby.
Get him there. Shut drive, where about to drive? Alright, get fire route, get Hartsville route. Shut drive, where about to drive?
Our cameras are rolling, audio is being. Oh! Where you at? North Clayton. Perry. Possibly code 8. Are you okay? I don't know. It's okay. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. You okay? I don't know. Come back here. Come back over here. Come over here. Stay with these folks. He's on the Hartsville recruit. Please keep him safe, okay? Oh, Lord, thank you for keeping me safe. BJ, I'm on you, brother.
The stolen car sped away, and after a Piat maneuver, the driver lost control and crashed into the patrol car. Ultimately, the driver was arrested for theft and fleeing, and was taken for treatment after the accident. The car swerved between lanes, and when the police signaled to stop, the driver accelerated to 75 miles per hour. He tried to escape by abruptly braking and driving against traffic.
Silver Honda. take us further out.
See, that's what I see. See, that's what I'm saying. See, that's what I'm
Don't do it! Let me see your hands! You better stop, motherfucker! You better stop! You better get on the fucking ground! I'll shoot your ass! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
The chase erupted as the suspicious vehicle evaded a checkpoint and sped away dangerously. The suspect recklessly rammed a police car, but the deputy quickly regained control of the situation.
What's the 78 traffic condition?
Maybe that in front I was speaking of. 6, what is your charges? Traffic charges, who's one of those and you need to pull out. So give us your location, speeds, traffic condition.
How's it going to call it?
Location, traffic condition, and speed. And so you get back home. Yeah, so what's
Bring up the street name.
The suspect was forced to the side of the road. Despite fierce resistance, he was quickly subdued. The pursuit ended safely with no casualties, but the consequences will follow him for a long time.